In 2026, finding the right YouTube niche can lead to significant success. By focusing on niches where you can sell directly to viewers, you can surpass 100,000 subscribers. The key to success is specificity. Videos that address specific problems attract viewers who are eager to find solutions. Health content tailored for specific demographics, like older adults, sells well because it addresses urgent needs with targeted solutions. Finance content for those in their 50s and 60s is valuable as they seek guidance on retirement and financial security. Making money online is still viable, especially when focusing on specific methods like reselling or print on demand. Retirement travel content is in demand as retirees look for safe and enjoyable travel options, making it a lucrative niche. AI tools tutorials sell themselves by showing practical applications and saving time or money for viewers. Dating advice for men is a niche with emotionally invested audiences, eager for solutions to personal challenges. Pet content, especially for dogs and cats, opens multiple revenue streams through product reviews and sponsorships. Choosing a niche with buyer intent, planning content, and committing for 12 months is the formula for YouTube success.